Imagine landing on Jupiter. Would you feel the ground beneath your feet? Would you breathe its air? The answer might surprise you and take you on a mind-blowing journey. Hey there, planetary trailblazers. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a breathtaking giant. But when we ask, what's its surface like, the truth is that Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Today, we're going to dive into the depths of this cosmic colossus, from its visible storms to the exotic states of matter at its core. Get ready to uncover a world with no solid ground, where hydrogen itself turns into a liquid metal. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow a lot. The first big revelation about Jupiter is that it doesn't have ground to stand on. Unlike Earth, it's a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its structure is a gradual transition. It's like diving into a swimming pool where the water gradually becomes denser and denser, until it turns into a thick liquid, then something that behaves like a metal, and finally, perhaps, a solid core. There's no point where you reach the surface. It's a continuous descent into the unknown. The cloud ballet and mysterious colors, the part we see of Jupiter, is its turbulent and colorful atmosphere, stretching for thousands of kilometers. These bands and zones, alternating between dark and light shades, are actually gigantic wind currents driven by the planet's internal heat and its incredibly fast rotation. A day there lasts less than 10 hours. The colors, they come from small amounts of elements like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide, which form clouds at different altitudes and temperatures. It's a true cosmic work of art, painted by gases and storms. The Great Red Spot, the Eternal Storm, and of course, we can't talk about Jupiter's atmosphere without mentioning its most famous scar, the Great Red Spot. This is a gigantic storm, a colossal anticyclone, larger than Earth itself, that has persisted for at least 350 years. It's living proof of the extreme atmospheric dynamics and the unbelievable energy bubbling within this gas giant. The probes that dove in, Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, and Juno, our understanding of this spectacle comes from space missions. The Pioneer and Voyager probes gave us the first close-up views, but the real daring came with the Galileo probe, which in 1995 launched a capsule that dived into Jupiter's atmosphere. For almost an hour, it transmitted data about 640 kilometers per hour winds, lightning, and the complete absence of any ground. And now, the Juno probe is giving us an unprecedented view of the deep atmosphere and internal structure, revealing an even more complex planet than we imagined. Imagine the crushing pressure. As you descend into Jupiter, the hydrogen, which was a gas higher up, undergoes incredible transformations. From gas to metallic liquid, the great transformation, thousands of kilometers deep, the pressure is so intense that hydrogen compresses into a liquid state. But it doesn't stop there. At even greater depths, about 10 to 20,000 kilometers, the pressure and temperature are so extreme that electrons separate from the hydrogen nuclei. The result, liquid metallic hydrogen, an exotic material that behaves like an electricity-conducting metal. It's in this gigantic ocean of metallic hydrogen that Jupiter generates its colossal magnetic field, Jupiter's core, a mysterious nucleus at the center of it all. Beneath this metallic hydrogen layer, scientists believe there's a dense core, perhaps rocky, perhaps icy, with a mass 10 to 20 times that of Earth, and temperatures that can reach tens of thousands of degrees Celsius. The invisible evidence: magnetic field and gravity. How do we know this, if we've never been there? The first piece of evidence is its magnetic field, the strongest in the solar system after the Sun. It's the signature of the liquid metallic hydrogen inside it. The Juno probe has been mapping this field with incredible precision. The second is gravitational measurements. By orbiting Jupiter, Juno senses variations in gravity, which allows scientists to infer how mass is distributed in its internal layers, revealing the existence and size of this hidden core. Jupiter is a natural laboratory for extreme physics. So, what's Jupiter's surface like? It's an invitation to an endless journey through gases, liquids, and exotic metals with no solid ground to step on. A world where the very concept of surface dissolves into mystery and power. Jupiter teaches us that the universe is far more diverse and surprising than our earthly experience allows us to imagine. And with each new discovery, we understand a little more about the limits of matter and physics. Who knew hydrogen could behave so wildly? Which aspect of Jupiter's non-surface intrigued you the most? The metallic hydrogen? The absence of ground? Leave your comments and theories down below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic descent, don't forget to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more explorations of the universe's mysteries. Until the next video.